Hello and welcome to this how-to video on approval requests from a manager perspective in AboardHR. My name is Alexander and let's jump in. So we're in the home page here, and as you can see, I have a widget for approval requests. At the bottom of the screen, I have customized my widgets and added the approval request and placed it up here so I have easy access to it. I can also get on the notification bell and see any new approval request for me to review, whether that's an expense report or it might be time off or time tracking as well. If it's a new notification, then you'll have the blue little dot, as you can see here. But let's go to the approvals module where it actually happens, so to speak. And here you can see any pending requests I have, whether I'm the next approver or not, and also the approved ones. Here at Add Filter, you can press that and based on what you want to see, make some adjustments so that you don't see everything as you can do here. So I'm going to start with the bottom one, which is from Karen, and see if there's anything for me to approve on. So she has not been working, it seems like, because it's a 0-minute time tracking time report here. But it seems to be quite all right since she has vacation set up here. So for now, for this case, I'm gonna approve. And if I want to, I have an optional comment that I can add, but I'm gonna just approve it as is. So going back, I'll now see that this one from Karen has been approved. Further, I have expense report from Andy. And as you can see, it's pending and I'm the next approver. Your admin in the system might have set up an approval flow for expense reports, and it seems like that's the case here because if we check here, I'm the first approver, and this seems to be some sort of receipt for, I would assume, food. I'll have to check in and confirm that's the case. What I want to do here is just confirm the amount, that the date is correct. Hopefully it is. Let's, for this example, assume. We can also confirm down here. And it seems to be a lunch or dinner as a category that we've set from, again, our admins. And I'm happy and I'm gonna approve this as well. As you could see, there is also the reject button, and that would be if you're not happy with the request, and you can, in that case, add a comment for your employee to see, and then they'd send in a new request for you to approve based on the feedback that you've added to the comment. So that's more or less it for managing approval requests from the manager point of view in Aboard. If you have any questions, feel free to refer to the help center for some other resources, but also our support chat where you can ask specific questions about the feature if you'd like to find out a bit more or have any follow-up questions. Thank you for listening and watching, and good luck.